Hey you guys, so I'm back and I just wanted to show y'all real quick some sugar cane. My grandma went to Miami to visit some friends but this past like 2 weeks ago. She just got back I think yesterday. So she asked me what I wanted her to bring back for me, and I asked for sugar cane. This is sugar cane. It's really sweet. She got me actually 2 other ones. And pretty much when you eat it, this is just a piece that I broke off. When you eat it, you just chew on it and suck out the juice. It comes out, which is really sweet. And then you take it out and just throw out the rest. So that's pretty much how you eat sugar cane. So you just bite, chew, and drink the juice that comes out while you're chewing it. So that's it. I don't know where you can get sugar cane. Probably like at probably at like a local farmer's market or something. So yeah, this is I'm sure it's not only a Haitian treat. I'm sure like other islands and cultures or countries like to eat sugar cane as well. So I just wanted to share that with y'all, and I will talk to you people later. Peace.